Hello and welcome to this YouTube video on building a gym management system in .NET 7 Part 2. So in this video, we'll be discussing the process of creating gym management system using the latest version of .NET framework. So we will be covering the basics of the system, including the features it will have and the technologies we'll be using. We'll also go over some of the challenges we'll face and how to overcome them. So in the last session, we created the trainers and members model. And today we'll be uh, updating those trainers and members entities. And we'll also add the membership model today. Okay, let's run this app and see what we have come through. It's coming. So without logging, we can't see any members. But once we log in, so we can see our trainers and members as well. So in this share here, what I want to update is while we create or update, we don't want these fields like created at and updated at or created by to be filled by the users. So we will want to do this by our code behind, and we will remove these HTMLs from this page from create as well as edit. We'll remove these three fields from here. So for that, what we have to do is let's go to our trainers and create and look for those HTMLs. So created at this one, updated at, and created by. So we'll remove these three fields and save. Now, if you go to this code, whenever the user clicks the submit button, this code will be executed. So here, in this trainer, we'll add field to date time right now from here. Trainer dot created at date time right now. Trainer created by is equal to. So in here, what we want is we want to add the login user. Whoever has logged in, and if he or she wants to create or update, we'll grab that user and add that user in here. So to get the login user, add piece of code over it. So we will have to bring in the user manager here. So we'll have to add user manager. Application user, let's see. What model do we have for the application user? I think it's by default, it should be identity user. Let's see the code. So it's going to be manager. Yeah, so we create this pop field in here, read only field, and now we use that field to get the number, get the login user, get sync, and this user. So this user is coming from claims, this claims principal. So this user will only be available in these endpoints. So whenever our user is logged in, we'll get all the user details properties in this login user, and then we'll add the username created by trainer, and we'll add it's giving us a warning. Username may be none here. Okay. So if login user is null, then what will we do? If login user is null, we'll just return page. Run it, it doesn't accept any message. Let's just return page for now. So if login user is null, then this code will not be executed. So whenever there is login user, then only it will come here. To escape this message, we can also put this what here, symbol here, check null. So now there are too many tabs. Let's close all but this one. So when we now let's open this page and see if it's working. Let's put a debug point here. It's already there. Let's log in. Now let's go to trainers, and whenever now let's create. You see those fields are gone. Let's create another user. This would be mail address. This one notes the one clicks button. So this one date of birth. So came over here. Now, okay, it's giving us error. It's giving error because it said valid, everything else is valid here. Okay. Oh, So created by field is throwing error in here. So it looks like since we have removed that created by field, but it's still expecting a created by field. So we'll have to make this field as nullable created by. So next time it will come, it will not throw that error. Let's log in again. Log in. Trainers. Party. It's the new user, Jeff. Date of birth. Like this. Salary is also party with. Now let's see. So now the mode state is valid. Now let's see if we get the login user. So the login user has come up. Now user is code heaven at the moment. Now we have updated its fields, and now let's try to save it. And now it's saved. And yeah, we got this user over here. But when we edit, this field will still come, so we have to remove this from the edit field as well. We'll have to do the same thing in edit. Let's do that now. What we can do is we can just copy the same field here. Or what we can do is we can make this as a reusable field. Just copy this one for now. And let's go to edit HTML. And add this in here as well. So we'll have to bring in this user manager here as well. This one is where we're injecting this dependency by a constructor. So whenever this class is called, so this instance is getting resolved. This is called dependency injection. So now we get the login user here. It's null. You go back to the page. If it's not null, then we update the users. Similarly, we can do the same for our members as well. For that, let's edit the HTML as well. Let's remove this part. Created at, updated at, and created by field. Let's do the same for members. Let's remove from the edit as well. Let's add this piece of code. That's great. Bring in that dependency as well. Here, instead of trainer, we'll be using member. If you want to update these three at the same place, you just press, if you're using Visual Studio Editor, Shift Alt and Dot, so it will select all these fields and then press the member. This is done. Now let's go to edit. Let's do the same. Let's V. System manager. Let's use window V and this one. So that's it. Let's open this app again and check if it's working. Now let's log in. So let's go to trainers. Let's know. Now let's go to members, create. We don't have any create and updated here. And let's go to edit. Not in here as well. We have two trainers now. Yes. Now this part is done. Now what we have to do is we have to add some membership and plans as well. Let's do that now. Let's stop this. Let's add some plan first. Let's create a class. Class name will be plan. Let's make this public. Let's make this. Let's copy this by pressing Ctrl C and Ctrl. We need 4 fields. One would be duration would be temperature, another price. Price would be double. And we extend this from case entity. So we get created at and updated at. And then after plan, let's also add new class called membership. Ship. Public class membership. And from the base entity and the fields. Here we'll also need a member ID. We also need plan ID. Start date, type date time, date. Right section, member membership. Let's do. After creating this entity, we'll have to add this in our context class. Where is our context class? Identity. Yeah, okay. Let's move this in as well. Now what we need is plan here. And another is memberships. Let's make this one as members as a pluralize. So now we go 1, 2, 3, 4 entities. And since plans membership, we have a relationship with members and plans. So we'll have to make that relation here as well. Let's see how we can make that relationship. So now let's use this similar kind of code here. Let's copy this code here, and let's use membership in here. So this membership, let's make this as so I think it will have many members and many plans. So one to many relation between member and membership. One member will can have many memberships and many plans as well. One member can have many plans as well. Can have many plans. And one plan per one membership. Many memberships can have one plan. Let's make this so membership has many. Let's go to membership. Let's member ID and plan. Watch properties. Loading. So let's go to members. Since we can have many members here, it will be I collection. Let's copy this code. We'll have multiple plans here as well. So next, let's make now one membership has many plans. Add a membership. Similarly, back in plan, we'll have to add membership as well. One membership can have many plans. Plan is one membership. So with one membership has one and two don't. Membership. No, this is membership. One key. I think what we have to do is We are adding the foreign key in membership. Let's do this the opposite way. Let's make plan here. And one membership. Plan ID. And we have plan ID here. Here's the plan ID. Plan. Plan is one membership. Plans. Membership. So let's start once again. I got confused here. Let's do this one as membership. Inside membership, now, and I think membership, let's, instead of this making as collection, make this as one and one. Each one member can have many membership. We'll make collection here as memberships collection. And also in plan, we'll make many collections over here of memberships. And then here, so membership will have one member with many memberships. And we will have many memberships. And foreign key would be the member ID. So this one will be the foreign key. And this is required on the collection. Okay, let's do the same for plans as well. These plans, what we can do is do that. Such that and now as one class. Since it's single, let's make it plan name. One plan. with many plan has many chips. Member ID. Exactly plan ID. So, right. Cascade, it's no action. Now this is done. After this, let's apply this migration. Yes, my plans and membership. Field failed. Let's build this project. It says it doesn't have member. I changed this member to members. So there is members. We have to make members. Yes. Yes. S in here and S in here as well. Here is decreasing. Yes. In here. Two more place. So it makes us very easy. Like in compile time, shows us all the errors so that we don't find these errors in runtime. So now let's build by pressing Ctrl Shift B in keyboard, and it says succeeded and 0 failed. Okay, let's run this project. Did we update database? And let's close this. I think I forgot to update the database. Apply the migration rate. Let's apply this one. Now the migration query has been run. So yeah, for member, instead of members, we're now renaming it to members. And we are creating new table plans and memberships. And the foreign key would be membership table, member ID and plan ID as well. Now let's update this database. I think it looks like it succeeded. Now let's check our database. inside gym manager. Let's refresh. And if we check the tables here, we have plans and memberships. This we already have this data here. So actually, it's this table, that's my old database. Actually, it's this database. This table, we have memberships and plans here. So it's empty. That's correct. And this membership, it's empty as well. Now let's look at the keys here. So we have member ID and plan ID as foreign keys. That's great. Now we use scaffolding to generate the member and plan pages. Let's do that now. Let's create a new folder. Plans. New scaffolded item. There's a page using entity framework. Plans, plan entities, and we'll wait for some time while it generates the code for us. Okay, now it has generated the code for us. Now look inside. So it has said all the CRUD operations for us. But if you look inside here, yeah, we'll have these all created and updated field for us as well. We'll have to remove these created and updated by fields. Let's try running this and see if we can generate a plan. By default, not links here, menus, type it manually. So plans has come over here. Let's create a new plan. Plan would be suppose body duration. Let's make it as 3 months. Price would be, let's say, 1,000 notes. Let's not do anything here. Let's put a debug point in here. Let's see if it works. So it says the model is invalid. I think that's because we haven't put anything created by ships. Oh, let's keep invalid memberships. So yeah, for this membership, applet is not able. Create new. Building. This is 3 months, price 1,000. So great. Okay. Now it's validated. and it's now created. Very easy. Let's do the same for membership as well. Folder for uploaded item, membership, and add. Membership is generated here. Since it has plans and members as well, so it's included here. Let's check at the UI. For members. Plan plan its name. For member, it's giving address. We don't want address. We want member dot first name. Let's put the first name. Member dot first name for now. Let's run this one. So let's create new. Right, so plan in plan, it's coming as bodybuilding. And member ID, it's coming as address. A mistake here. Let's go in the UI once again. I thought I fix it. Create. Vector plan ID. Plan ID. Here. Oh, yeah, it says just put instead of address we're using. Stop this. Let's start once again. Let's type in oops. Now we have the member ID. So for member Jessica, we plan a bodybuilding plan type. Started from today. And that would be 3 months up to March. 3 months from today. Nice. Let's make it as 1000. Created that. This one will have to do some code behind, but for now, let's. I think it's created. It's not created yet. There's something wrong. this one. That's this one. Check what's wrong by making this debug point red. Should be some invalid here. Let's see what's wrong here. So membership.plan is invalid. So if you go to our membership model inside plan, so it's saying that we haven't clicked it. Plan here. We have clicked the plan. Why is it giving us here? Let's debug it. So membership, we got member ID, we got plan ID as well. But member is not on plan, is now. By default, it is supposed to be now, but we haven't made that field nullable. Maybe that's why. Member, both member and plan is coming. So what we have to do is we have to make these two virtual fields as nullable. Let's run this again. Well, I'm showing you these errors as well so that you can debug it yourself when you face these issues by yourself. Now let's create once again. So these two are fine. Started today and nice. This one. This one is great. It must be success now. Yes, now it's succeeded. Now it's created. You see. Now this member Jessica that we created in our earlier video has subscribed to this plan bodybuilding, and this is a membership table. So this is how our relationship works. It's very easy in .NET, like, because it scaffolds everything itself. So we don't have to worry about this UI part, generates the UI itself. But if you want to make this into a very slick design, we'll have to edit this UI ourselves later on. But as a backend developer, you can make an application very rapidly using these Visual Studio scaffolding technique. So this much for today. In the next video, we will clear out these created add and updated add fields from HTML. And I suggest you to do this by yourself in the next video. And we'll also be working in the attendance of our members in our next video. So this was for today. Please like and subscribe my channel if you want to see more videos like this. And please also comment if you want any other projects, if you want to make, if you want video on any other projects, please comment and I'll try to make that project for you as well. Thanks. This much for today.